Good morning, students. In the last session, we have read about density of population. Today, in this session, we will learn about problems due to overpopulation. So, children, let us start reading the lesson now. The increasing population creates many problems due to shortage of food, water, houses, schools, colleges, hospitals, and jobs. A large number of Indians are uneducated and unemployed. So, children, first of all, overpopulation means increasing population. So, this overpopulation has created a lot of problems like there is shortage of food, water, houses, schools, colleges, hospitals, and jobs. All these problems arise because of increasing population. Right now, children, there are more than 135 crore people living in our country. And this number is increasing day by day. That is why, children, shortage of food, water, jobs, etc. is there. Also, children, a large number of Indian people are uneducated and unemployed. Uneducated in Hindi means unpad. Means people here, they lack education. And unemployed means berozgar in Hindi. It means people do not have jobs. So a large number of Indians are uneducated and they are unemployed. Now, about 70% of the total population lives in villages. Farming is their main occupation. Due to lack of work in the villages and repeated crop failures, many villagers come to the cities. These people are called migrants. This creates even greater problems as they do not find regular jobs in the city. Most of them work as daily wagers. So, children, most of the people of our country live in villages. So, almost 70% of the total population live in the villages and farming is their main occupation. So, what is the main occupation of people who live in village? It is farming. Now, due to lack of work, children in the villages, they move to the cities. So, due to lack of work in the villages and due to crop failure, these villagers, they move to the cities in search of other work. Such people are known as migrants. So, people who move to other places in search of job or in search of work, those type of people are known as migrants. Now, this has created greater problem because the villagers, they do not find regular jobs in the city and they have to work as daily wagers. Daily wagers means dihadi mazdoor. So, some villagers, they work as drivers, some work as rickshaw pullers, cleaners, they sell newspapers, etc. So, these are daily wagers who earn daily. On daily basis, they are earning. Now, there are many tribes in different parts of the country. The Gonds, Bhils, Santhal, Minas, Orao, Mundas and Khons are some of the tribal groups of India. They follow traditional lifestyles. The government has made plans to improve their living conditions by providing them with education, health facilities, jobs, etc. So, children, many tribal people also live in our country in different parts. So, in different states, tribal people are living. And names of some tribal groups that are found in India are the Gonds, Bhils, Santhal, Meena, Orao, Mundas and Khons. These are the names of tribal groups. And children, these tribal groups, they follow traditional lifestyle. They have not adopted modern lifestyle. They still believe in traditional lifestyle. Now, the government has made plans to improve their living condition by providing them with education, health facilities and jobs. By providing these three things, the government is trying to improve their condition. Now, the government is taking the following step to solve the problems of the people. Like first, land and houses are being allotted to the poor. So children, land and houses are being given to the poor people. Second, jobs are being given to them. So the government is also providing them with job opportunity. Third, health centers and hospitals are opened for them in the villages and towns. So children, the government has also opened health centers and hospitals for these people so that they can go and get themselves checked up by the doctors. Now fourth, children from the poor families are being educated. The government is running lakhs of schools all over the country. So children, those type of children who belong to poor family, they are being educated, and the government is running lakhs of school all over the country where the poor children can come and they can get education. Next, bank is giving easy loans to people to encourage them to start their own business. So bank is also providing easy loans to people so that they can start their own business. And lastly, people are being encouraged to have small families. So people are being encouraged or they are motivated to have small families. Okay, so children, with this we have completed chapter number 12, India, its mineral resources. Now, the exercises and question answers will be sent in the campus care. Please write down the question answers in your copies and learn them. Now I will see you in the next class, children. Thank you.